Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show how to integrate OpenStreetMaps in your React application using Leaflet. For this I'm going to use React Leaflet package, which is the wrapper for the Leaflet, and also I'm going to use MapTiler as my OpenStreetMap provider. So let's go and check this, how to build and integrate this OpenStreetMap. So this MapTiler has a lot of features, which also gives you the tile API where we can use it with Leaflet. So this is the demo application. Here is where I'm going to integrate my OpenStreetMap. So for this, let's first install two packages that are needed for this. One is the React Leaflet and the base Leaflet package. So I'm going to use npm to install and going to save it in my dependency list. You can use any of the OpenStreetMap providers. There's a lot of providers for that. So this is just for this demo. I'm going to use MapTiler. Most of the OpenStreetMap providers has a free tile limit, so you can use it for your application. So meanwhile, let's go and check this MapTiler. So let's go and create the API key and sign up for this. I already signed up for this. If you go to this plans page, you can see the get started, and you can select the plan according to your need. So for this demo I'm going with free tier. So once you come into this, you will see the list of maps. So you can choose any one of this. I'm going to use this basic map for my demo. So this is how the map will look in our application. So if you go down, if you see, there was a tile URL which has 256 cross 256 of length and width. So you need to choose that for our Leaflet application. So let's import a few things from our React Leaflet. So the one is the map and the tile layer. The tile layer is where we input the provider details and attrition details, all the details related to the OSM provider. And map is the basic map. So let's add this map component. For this we need to pass in few props. One is the map center point. So when you open a map, we need to open in one particular location centered. So for this, let's use our use state hooks to store the lat long of my center location. So later, if you want, you can change this. This will dynamically move this map to that particular center point. So let's call this center. For this, you need to provide an object with lat and long. Lat being the latitude and long being the longitude. So you can provide whatever the location you want by default. So this is my static location. Once this is done, you also need a default zoom level for the application. So we'll pass the center coordinates, and then we'll also pass the zoom level. So by default, the map will be loaded with this coordinates as centered and zoom level as mentioned as 9. Now we need to use this map tile layer, and we need to pass the URL for the OpenStreetMap provider. Those are the tile providers, and also we can pass the attribution. So for this, I'm going to have a separate file to manage my OSM configurations. So I might use multiple OSM providers, so it is better always to have a config file for that. So from this I'm going to return my maptile URL that we just copied from maptiler website, and also we can add attribution here. I'm going to copy this URL once again. I want to place it there. Let's go and import those details, and we'll key in the URL and attribution to the tile layer component. Now after that we can add a map reference. So if you want to further manipulate the map, you can use it with this map reference. We usually use ref from React, that's element reference. You can directly deal with the DOM using this reference. I will pass that reference also. Now we are done integrating our map in our React application. Let's go and check this. So when we go to the demo page, we are seeing the map, but it is not loading properly. So it's going out of the boundary and it's hanging somewhere else. So for this we need to set the width and height for our leaflet container. So let's first add a CSS to set our height and width of our leaflet container. And I'm going to place width as 100%. And also you need to import maplet leaflet CSS. So you can import it from this leaflet package, dist slash leaflet CSS. So once this is done, you will be able to see a properly rendered map in your application. So let's go there and refresh this. Now you can see the proper map that is coming from maptiler, and we displayed it using a leaflet. Thank you guys. It's very easy to integrate a static map in React using a OSM provider. So you can use it in any of your React application, and you can choose the matching OSM provider that suits your needs.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos like this.